Alright guys, we at the audio shop. My man Jake, he got this joint. He finna crank it up. Said 12. I don't know a whole lot about music, but he the man. I'ma let him tell y'all about it.
You know the ghetto music.
Get up in there, you can't see it really unless you get in there.
Man, I know this dude. Try not to get copyrighted. Man. I don't want to get copyrighted, but he said he ain't gonna crank it up. He ain't gonna crank it up. So for the people that been asking about the 418s and the Tahoe, this the guy that did that. He did that setup, the 418s and the Tahoe. Everybody been asking about that I got on the channel on the short. This the guy that built that truck, and this his personal truck. I don't know what all of that's about. I'm assuming to keep everything from falling apart. But the bars in there, that's to keep everything from falling apart.
Well, the two in the front right here keep from busting. Well, it's already broke the window, but it keeps from shattering the front windshield.
Yeah.
And it keeps from shattering the sunroof in it.
Okay. Damn.
Some of it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. This the man behind it.
We got more 6.5s in the back.
Okay.
Yeah, more DS18 6.5s in the back. Yeah. Does what it's supposed to do, I guess.
I got you.
I would show you my old one, but I got it ripped apart in the back right now. I'm known for mine in the back,
Okay.
but I took the 18s out of it, and I'm getting ready to do 21s in it.
Okay, got you. Yeah, family, man, they're ridiculous. Ridiculous. I love music, but it's way too much for me. No. But they get me together, they finna get it put in. Yeah, finna get me put together.
This is on my 6.5s. But yeah, that little bitty box up there, that little sucker's real important, man, because like I said, you usually have to gain match amps to make them all do equal so the subs will move up and down exactly the same.
Yeah.
You don't have to do that when you buy a ZBL. That one box controls all three. So all my subs stay unison, stay in, stay the same. Yep. My wife's doing it. Make your tap, baby.
Yes, sir. But one clean 73. This is another 74. This is a 74, right? 74. I really ain't a big fan of the 74, but this joint is hard. You don't really see too many 74, but this joint here clean. Ain't no lie. Too much different than the 73 up front. Front grill look different, but they got the chrome moldings. I don't think the rest of them had it down the side, but overall, it's just clean. Look like it been freshly painted too. Good base coat, clean base coat. Pretty slick. 74 vert. Say he doing a full build on this one. Clean. to do a little float pan work, but I ain't gonna pick them to death. Just overall, it's just, oh, I like this. Flakes dancing in that joint. Yep, you come holler at me, I was getting right on that float pan. Other than that, I don't see nothing down low. Yeah, pretty solid jump.
Understand. Somebody gonna understand it.
Right.
It goes by decimals, you know.
Okay. So I know you meter this one, so.
Yeah, this one does like a 161 right now, 162. But
okay.
It's not that loud. These subs are only $159 a piece.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're real cheap subs. But I did that on purpose, you know.
Okay.
I've only got 3 5Ks.
Really?
So it's not much power, but it's a lot of subwoofer, you know.
Okay.
Anyway. Let's see here. Let's see what we got.
Niggas running like they know, but they never pop out. I got the drop on your spot, everybody watch out. On my nigga on 50, so you know we hopped out. Mobbed out, outside, we gon' show what we about. On my nigga. Listen up. You know that.
I ain't trying to hurt you.
Yeah, I ain't never heard music like that.
I ain't gonna try to hurt you, you know.
Yeah.
But even on volume 6, I mean, it still gets loud, but louder.
Yeah.
Louder than a lot of people. Maybe.
Yeah, I never
I ain't
experienced
trying to hurt
nothing like
nobody.
that.
Yeah, I ain't trying to hurt nobody.
Yeah, that's a real music fan. Oh yeah. Tell them where they can holler at you at, where they can find you at.
And you can look me up at Facebook, man. On name's Jake Luke on Facebook, or Audio Solutions and Accessories. Audio Solutions and Accessories out of Grenada, Mississippi. We do it all pretty much, man.
Man, work speaks for itself.
Yeah.
Man, you got me scared to sit in here.
You, man. I was doing an interview. Yeah. What's going on, man? I'm not doubting that, man. He can't handle it. That's what I'm trying to think.
All right, I can step out.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand. I mean, I'll do it. I was just gonna ask him to get out. He can't handle it, so.
Yeah, family. My ears ain't made for this. He got the fam over there running from him.